In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link to one emails in HubSpot. This quick update is a small change with a big impact, helping you stay compliant with local spam laws and improving your email deliverability when sending personal one-to-one emails from HubSpot. Start by opening HubSpot in your browser and logging into your account. Make sure you're using the correct user profile, ideally one connected to your email inbox, so your settings apply to the messages you send from the CRM. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and click the gear icon. That's your settings area, and it's where we'll make the change. Inside settings, head to the general section. This is where your personal preferences live. From there, select the email tab. This tab controls how your one-to-one emails behave when you send them from HubSpot, whether you're emailing a contact directly from a record or using your connected inbox through the CRM. On this page, look for the option that says something along the lines of include a link at the bottom of your emails allowing recipients to unsubscribe. This built-in setting adds a small unsubscribe link to the footer of your one-to-one emails. Turning it on is a best practice because it gives recipients a clear way to opt out, which helps you comply with regulations and signals to mailbox providers that your messages respect recipient preferences, often leading to better inbox placement over time. A few helpful notes here. This setting affects one-to-one emails sent via HubSpot, not marketing emails. Marketing emails in HubSpot already include required subscription and unsubscribe options through your subscription types. Also, if you don't immediately see this option, you might need additional permissions or to check with an admin on your team, since some settings can vary by role or account configuration. It's also worth understanding what your recipients will experience. When the link is present, a contact who clicks unsubscribe will be able to opt out, reducing unwanted replies and protecting your sender reputation. If you're collaborating with a sales or success team, aligning on this setting ensures a consistent approach to email etiquette across the organization. To recap the path you'll use, open HubSpot, click the gear icon for settings, go to General, then Email, and locate the option to include an unsubscribe link at the bottom of your one-to-one emails. Enabling this simple control keeps your messages compliant, helpful, and more likely to reach the inbox. Thanks for following along, and you're all set to send more respectful, high deliverability emails from HubSpot.